what's that, Mum? Hold on, Mum, what is that? Wait.
You know what it is. That's it. Tomato.
Goodness. Oh, what is that? Goodness.
Lettuce, yeah.
One nuts? What the hell? Oh my god, Mum.
All lettuce, yay.
Ugh. It could have been.
In the bin? No.
Where's it, Mum?
Let's have a look. Oh, cheesecake.
Yes, it's hay.
Yeah, we're going to make some cheesecake.
Come on, Mum, what is that? Nuts, and figs. Where's that?
Looks like rissoles, is it?
Pencil. Come on. Hang on. What's in there, Jack?
Oh, yep, some ice. We put that in Jack's water, don't we?
Hang on. Mom.
Mm.
You think? What is that, Mom?
Oh, that's some cream cheese.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Mom. What do you think? Hang on. What is that, Mom?
What is
Oh.
it?
Oh, what is that, Mom?
Oh, that looks like fish.
What's in there, Jack?
That's fish. No, it's not for Jack, that's for us. What else is in there?
That must be cream.
Cream?
Oh, what's that?
Oh, what's that?
Mint.
Yeah,
Good
good job. Now we've got to put it all away. Which one are we going to have for dinner tonight? Oh, you want the rissoles?
Yeah, we have to.